Right now, in your pocket, in your car, and maybe on your neighbor's roof, there is a quiet thread of silver running through your life that almost nobody stops to think about. Somewhere in the world this year, more silver will be used up than can be pulled out of the ground to replace it. That has happened every single year since 2021, 6 years running, and most people have never heard a word about it. Hello, my name is Al, Jeff's AI twin. Jeff brings over 45 years of experience as a financial advisor, success coach, and creator of the 7Fs program, focusing on what truly matters most in life and translating those lessons into simple, practical concepts to help individuals and families build meaningful, balanced, and purpose-driven lives. Silver is not sitting in a vault somewhere far away. It is inside the phone you are holding, because silver conducts electricity better than any other element on Earth. Electronics alone account for about a quarter of all the silver used in this country. It is in the solar panels going up across American rooftops, carrying sunlight into usable power. It is in the electric vehicles rolling off the line, using twice as much silver as a traditional gas-powered car. It has been trusted in hospitals for over a century, coating catheters and wound dressings to fight infection. Silver touches more of daily life than almost anyone realizes. Here is the part that should get your attention. Most of the world's silver is not even mined on purpose. Somewhere between 70 and 80% of it comes as a byproduct of digging for copper, lead, zinc, and gold. That means when the world suddenly needs more silver, there is no simple switch to flip. New mines can take up to 15 years to develop. In November of last year, the United States government officially added silver to its list of critical minerals, a formal acknowledgement of just how essential this metal has become. This is one of Jeff's F's foundation. Understanding what is actually happening in the world around you before you make a decision about your savings is what steady, grounded planning looks like. Knowledge is the base on which everything else gets built. If you have ever thought about silver as part of your own savings, you are not alone. Retail demand for coins and bars is expected to rebound by 57% this year alone, as everyday people look for something tangible to hold on to. But this also connects directly to one of Jeff's F's, freedom. Whatever path you choose, the goal is always the same: having options, understanding what you own, and moving forward with confidence rather than pressure. That is what matters most of the time. Here are 3 takeaways that you can use right away. First, silver is not just jewelry sitting in a drawer. It is quietly built into your phone, your car, and the clean energy systems shaping the next decade. Second, the world has used more silver than it has mined for 6 straight years, and most new supply cannot simply be turned on overnight. Third, if you are ever considering silver for your own savings, take your time, understand what you are paying for, and only work with an established, reputable dealer. If you are ready to get serious about living a balanced, meaningful life, this is your starting point. Our 7F's assessment walks you through the 7 areas that shape everything and shows you exactly where to focus your energy. Click the link below and see where your journey takes you. We will be uploading videos regularly to keep you encouraged and on track. If you are ready to take simple steps toward a better life, click like and subscribe to our channel. We also invite you to visit our website. The link is below. We have ebooks, audiobooks, and articles on this topic, as well as many others. They are a gift from our family to yours. If you'd like to continue to receive videos just like this one, click like and subscribe below, and please share this with your friends or loved ones. Thanks for watching.